Welcome to the Workbench site. This is the place to find, build, and customize lessons for your classroom. There are lessons covering a wide range of grades, subjects, and education standards. Our library also includes lessons from our partners such as Sphero, Parrot Drones, and Sam Labs, who are leading the pack in EdTech gear. We'll show you around the site so you can get started with Workbench in your classroom in no time. If you are an instructor, you should watch this video along with our instructor-specific video. When you're signed into Workbench, you'll see the Projects page. This is where you can come to search and filter projects to find exactly what you're looking for, or you can just browse through. At the top of the page, you can see that there are some buttons. This is an easy way to find projects. The green buttons are subjects, and the blue buttons are grade levels. You can click more than one to narrow down the list of projects. To search using a keyword, select the magnifying glass in the top right corner. A search box will appear, and you can type in any word and it will pull up any project that mentions that word. Let's say you're a science teacher looking for a lesson about plants. Let's type plants into the search bar. Now the results are going to show all the projects on plants. You're one step closer to finding the perfect project. You can also use the filter option in the upper right to help narrow down projects. When you select this option, several filter drop-down boxes will appear. Let's look at all of our filter options. First, we have products. This is the partner gear that I mentioned earlier and includes products like Parrot Drones, Sam Labs blocks, and Sphero. Next, we have Filter By. This is where you can easily find projects that are featured, projects that you have liked by clicking on the red heart, projects that you have created, and projects created by Workbench. Pro tip, liking projects is a great way to save projects for later. In the Sort By filter, we can see projects sorted by newest, oldest, or the number of likes that they have been given by users. Think of these as the most popular projects. It's easy to filter projects by grade using the grade filter. You enter a minimum and maximum grade level, and projects that fall in that range will be shown. The duration filter can help you narrow down projects that fit into the time you have allotted to teach the lesson. Tags can help narrow projects down to the area of interest you're trying to find. You can select as many tags as you'd like. There are tags relating to every subject, so you'll be sure to find the perfect project to fit your needs. Lastly, you can filter by education standards. Simply select the standard that you are trying to meet, and any projects that meet that standard will appear. Next, let's look at channels. This is a quick way to see all the content from any of our partners that we work with. By selecting any of these partner channels, you can see any projects or media that is created with that partner's product. Let's take a look at the Parrot partner channel. You can see that there's a short blurb about Parrot education, along with all the projects that use Parrot drones. You can also view the portfolio to see any media or programs that use Parrot drones. We'll talk more about the portfolio later. So we have lots of tools for finding the perfect project, so let's use this to our advantage. Let's say I'm a 7th grade math teacher who has a class set of Spheros. Let's use some filters to get some projects that I might be able to use in my classroom. Let's narrow down the results by using the Product, Grade, and Tags filters. Select Spark Plus in the first drop-down menu under Product. We're looking for projects at the 7th grade level, so let's put the grade level at a minimum of 6 and a maximum of 8. And for our Tag drop-down, we can just select Math. You can select multiple tags if you need to. Now, our results are narrowed down. This is now showing projects that are math-related, use a Sphero, and are in the 7th grade range.